OpenAI, the pioneering force behind artificial intelligence, has unleashed its latest creation, GPT 4.2, onto the global stage. With this groundbreaking release, the entire industry stands on the precipice of a paradigm shift as the boundaries of what AI can achieve are pushed to staggering new heights. What mind-bending capabilities does GPT 4.2 possess, and how does it differentiate itself from its predecessors? What does this mean for the future of artificial intelligence and the countless domains it touches? Join us as we unravel the mysteries surrounding this game-changing release, exploring its features, implications, and the awe-inspiring potential it holds. ChatGPT is without a doubt one of the most popular AI-powered chatbots of all time, with over 100 million users globally. OpenAI revealed in a recent blog post that ChatGPT would get a feature that would allow users to share their conversations with the chatbot with another person. The new shared links feature avoids the need to copy-paste or screenshot comments by establishing a unique URL for each ChatGPT session. Because any messages sent after generating the link will not be shared with others, individuals who wish to amend shared material must remove and reshare the link. According to OpenAI, the function is now accessible to ChatGPT Plus customers and will be handed out to regular users in the following days, so you may have to wait a little longer before it shows on your account. Furthermore, the functionality is presently confined to the online version, with compatibility with the iOS app in the works. How can I share my ChatGPT conversations with others? It is quite simple to create links to ChatGPT chats. Simply hover your mouse over the discussion name on the left side of the screen and click the share button that appears. A new window containing the chat you wish to share will now open. The copy link button at the bottom will copy the produced URL to your clipboard. Users may also name the discussion and add their name before sharing by tapping the three-dot button on the right side. If you wish to remove the URL from the shared chat, just hit the three-dot menu after copying the link, and you'll have the option to do so. Remember that anybody with access to the shared link may watch and continue the connected conversation, so avoid sharing sensitive information in shared chats. OpenAI seems to be working on another upgrade for ChatGPT. It might be the previously disclosed business model. In the source code of ChatGPT, Reddit user Coachum_PSY obtained a first peek at the user interface of the probable next version of ChatGPT. He says he utilized a script to fool the site into believing his account had full access to all services. He noticed the newly implemented chat sharing capability in this manner a week before its formal release. The leaked image displays a new workspace, a profile where you may add information that ChatGPT should remember by default, and the option to upload files. OpenAI has not provided any further information regarding the corporate version, but the screenshot suggests that it may be able to share separate workspaces, such as workgroups, with colleagues. The profile section might pre-prompt ChatGPT, comparable to the GPT-4 API's system prompt. You could, for example, put your job title, social media manager, editor, etc. there so you don't have to mention it in every chat. Of course, it is also possible to provide style preferences that ChatGPT will follow by default. The file upload feature might be used to make papers chat-friendly, such as generating summaries or searching for content. There are existing chatbot instances, particularly in the open source movement such as Anything LLM, that provide this helpful capability. Microsoft is also working on a commercial version of ChatGPT that will operate on its own servers, but will allegedly cost 10 times as much as the standard ChatGPT. The unveiling of this cutting-edge technology has ignited a fervor of anticipation and speculation, leaving us with a sense of both wonder and trepidation. With its unprecedented capabilities and refined intelligence, GPT 4.2 has undoubtedly raised the bar for what AI can achieve.